In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Western Union to the Philippines. To do this, go and open up the Western Union app or website and sign into your account and go to the Send Money section. From there, just go and search for Philippines and select it. Then click Continue. And then from there, you can choose how much you would like to send and how you want to pay and how you want the delivery to be done. So you can just click right there. Then first, how you want to pay. I'll use a bank account, and then the delivery, I'll use mobile wallet and click Save. Then from there, click Continue. Then from there, if you already have a recipient, you can select them. If you don't, you can click Add New. I'll just use this one and then Continue. So from there, just enter all the names and stuff like that. Just fill in the details, as well as the wallet service provider. If you select a mobile wallet, for example, Gcash, then the wallet mobile number and the purpose or reason of the transfer. And then click Continue and go to pay for it. And once you've paid for it, the money will be on its way to the Philippines. So that's how to transfer money from Western Union to the Philippines. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.